Greetings and welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka pezliz, and my goal in 2026 is to create 3D printing content that empowers people to learn, make, and share with confidence. And one filament that I have not showcased before, and I am appalled that I have not showcased before in its own episode, is Polymaker's Panchroma Gradient Luminous Rainbow PLA. Polymaker has lots and lots of rainbow PLAs. We are enjoying them all, but this one is not just an OG, but it is one of my absolute favorites. So let's take a look at it, and then we're going to take a look at some things that I've printed with it. So the Panchroma Gradient Luminous PLA is a beautiful filament that has a cycle of 160 grams. So you get from that yellowy orange to the pink to the purple to the blue to the green to back through to the yellow to the orange in 160 grams of printing, which is a pretty lovely rainbow. So if you plan out your prints, we've talked about this before, how to plan out your prints. If you plan your prints ahead of time, you can get the entire rainbow in a matter of planning, with infill, with the number of prints, all of that stuff. And then sometimes you just love to YOLO too. So this of course is a luminous filament. And the really cool thing about a luminous filament as opposed to a glow filament is that it has color on its own during the daytime, during the nighttime, anytime. And then of course, once it is touched by something UV reactive, like a UV reactive flashlight, even blue light or different lighting, or of course charged with regular light, it glows. So it is a luminous finish as opposed to something that's glow that is more of a translucent white color and then pops to have a color when it glows. And that's why I love Luminous Rainbow. As it says here, Panchroma Luminous is a specialty filament that displays a vibrant, unique color in daylight and glows in a similar shade when the lights go out. So this dual effect makes your prints stand out both day and night, adding a playful and eye-catching twist to any project. Now, it is easy to print, but you want to make sure that when you're printing with Luminous to be using a hardened steel nozzle. This is an abrasive filament. And also if you're using something like an AMS or other filament feeding systems, you want to be really careful that you have a nice clear path because it can break. It is abrasive. It can break, and also you want to make sure you check the health of your PTFE tubes when printing a lot with this filament. It is abrasive, but it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to take a look at a couple things that I have printed over the course of my 3D printing time. Many times I have printed with this filament. Someone in chat says don't use an AMS light. I actually printed the model that I'm going to show with the AMS light. I picked the slot number 2, which had the shortest filament path, and I did fairly well. So, but I'm going to show off a couple things that I've printed with this filament, and of course this is a great example of how this filament is beautiful on its own, but even more fun when you add some light to it. So one of the first things I have here is I just had the end of this spool of filament and I wanted to print this cup cozy. So as you can see, this is just in regular daylight. I had my Diet Coke. If anyone knows, I am a Diet Coke girly, but this is a really fun can koozie. And if you took it to a concert or, you're out camping or, at the beach, it's just super fun. And as you can see, you make your way through the gradient with something like this. Super pretty. Another thing I've printed is these absolutely stunning peacock dragons from Cinderwing. And I really love how the luminous just shows up as a, because it's a little bit translucent, with those peacock feathers and all of those parts of the peacock just absolutely pop. And I think this one, yeah, this has a little bit of a lighting effect. I had the UV light and also changed the light in my light box to be a little bit on the blue tone. And as you can see, the difference in the color for the daytime and the nighttime is absolutely pretty. It's so nice. And of course, with this, you can even see the blue underneath and the green sort of popping through with that light. So absolutely stunning. Love that. And it's really great for dragons because the filament is super strong and is not something that's going to, you know, end up in tears for kids. As you can see, I also use the Luminous Rainbow for, these are Pink's star stash containers. The one in the background is fun because it at the time that was every single color of the Panchroma starlights. So I'm definitely gonna have to redo that. But this was done in the Luminous Rainbow. And as you can see, it's gorgeous. And all I did for this picture is flash my my UV flashlight for a moment, and you can see it glowing. Really great if you're going to sell models that in this filament, because you can do a quick little showcase. Another thing I printed was, this is by Memetics, and this is one of his lights. So I did this in the Luminous Rainbow, and as you can see in vase mode, you still get enough of the gradient to showcase things, and it's kind of fun to play with the gradient. So this goes from the blue to the green to the yellowy orange. So really fun. And of course, like I said, this gives you the color during the day and at night, and with the guidance of light, you get an even more interesting effect. And the thing I really love about the Panchroma Luminous filament is that when you do charge it, it lasts a long time. It's absolutely stunning. I have actually charged things up with flashlights and been able to have it light my way a little bit during a power outage, which is kind of fun. So it's really fun. So my pièce de résistance that I printed for today's imprinting color comes from a designer that I have just showcased in Pezliz Presents, and that is Dave Makes Stuff. So Dave Makes Stuff made this absolutely beautiful, as you can see, all these different branches, pezliz. So this is, as you can see, several layers and also tessellations of sorts of the you know, using a coral pattern. So you get the gradient, you get the height, and you get the full effect of the rainbow. I absolutely love how Dave was able to do that. So let's take a look at some of the stuff that Dave Makes Stuff has done in the Polymaker Rainbows as a little bit of a bonus. But his episode of Pezliz Presents is out. And this is the tessellating Escher lizards. So this is in Polymaker's translucent rainbow. And as you can see, Dave actually did a spiralized design for this model. And the spiralized design allowed him to showcase every single color of the translucent gradient. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Then, of course, we have another model here. Let's go to Dave Makes Stuff that he did with the celestial gradient rainbow. And these are the topography wall panels. And as you can see, using the layer height in topography, or of course, like this coral pattern, you get to see all the colors of the gradient as it builds up. Super awesome. And just a really fun way to play around with a gradient filament. So I'm really looking forward to printing some of these and showcasing them. And as you can see, Dave has them numbered. So if you did want them to sort of interconnect, let's watch this. A genius at work. A genius at work. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. So awesome. So let's take a look in real time at the luminous rainbow. As I mentioned, luminous means that it has this beautiful color any time of the day or night. I do have a UV reactive flashlight. So first of all, I'm going to concentrate on the middle so you can see just how it glows. This is a custom model that Dave makes stuff made for me. So let's take a look at this. As you can see, the center is glowing. It is absolutely glowing. Now, I can also take this light and have it go across the entire print fairly easily. And you can see that even with a few seconds of charging, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So it creates a whole different look to the print. And of course, if you had continuous light on it, or even you know, with lighting, mood lighting, it does end up glowing in the best way possible. Now, I'm not going to turn off the lights and show you how it glows. I want you to try this for yourself to see how it glows. And at the end of this video, I will have some extra pictures of this this particular model in the dark. So absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I think that Polymaker's Panchroma Luminous Filament beats any other company, including Polymaker's own glow-in-the-dark filament. I think that it is definitely a really fun alternative to the glow filaments. Of course, the glow filaments have their use and the glow filaments have their time, but I just love that this shows an actual color, or shows, in this case, shows actual colors and makes some magic. So make some magic yourself with Polymaker filaments. Link to this filament will be in the description below. If you're watching on YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe and also like and give a comment. But please join me on twitch.tv/pezliz. I stream every day, but Tuesdays and Thursdays. My schedule is also in the description. I'd love for you to join us because we're giving away filament, we're answering questions live and having lots of fun. But happy printing, and thank you to Polymaker for providing us with the opportunity to share filaments with you, and keep printing.